Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. It is about 11:15 right now, and I am just getting some breakfast, which I guess it's actually lunch since it's closer to lunchtime. But I have a class today. It's my last class of the week, of the semester, everything. So I'm super excited about that. I'm about to get ready to go to Boulder so that I can go to class, and before that, so I can work. But I just wanted to show you guys a recipe that I tried out of the Clean Food book. So it's this book, and the recipe is Mediterranean pasta with greens. So here it is right here. I actually made this yesterday morning, and I had it for breakfast and lunch yesterday, and it has the following ingredients. It has fusilli pasta, olive oil, garlic, onion, dried basil, oregano, chickpeas, canned tomatoes, tomato paste, mirin. It has some kale and then ground black pepper and salt. And once again, I didn't do any parsley. But I didn't actually put fresh kale in it because I accidentally put the kale that I bought into a big pot of greens that I made. So what I did was I just took the greens, some of the greens out, and I mixed it in. And that's why they're a lot more dark than what they would be if I had just kind of lightly sauteed the kale. But I really like this recipe. It tastes really good and it's really hearty. It holds you for a while. I did not put a video up for yesterday because I was working on my final project and I needed to use that time to finish it. But the presentation for that project is today, and I'm just really excited to be done with a third semester and to only have one more left. So that's what I'm up to today. Going to Boulder, stuff like that. I'll try to get some footage while I'm up there. And then Matt actually went into work again today. So maybe he'll record while he's out. I told him the other day that he just needs to vlog a little bit more because you all have expressed interest in seeing him vlog. And I mean, he's a good vlogger. I just think sometimes he doesn't know what to say. But maybe he'll vlog while he's out today, and we'll get some footage for that. But I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so I just got to Boulder. I just found a really good parking spot really close to where I work, and now I am heading into work right now. The weather is beautiful, you guys. The high today is like 65. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but I'm not complaining. I have a jacket here for later on. I also have my coat in the car, but right now it is like the perfect weather. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street, so I'm gonna pay attention now. I just got done working, and I think I'm going to go get a coffee or something like that. Not a coffee, but a tea probably. I'm not a big coffee drinker. Got about an hour and a half until my next class. So I don't know, I could go down to Pearl Street or just go up to the hill. I think, I'm not sure. So I decided to go ahead and drive to Boulder, and I'm in the car right now. I'm eating an apple. I guess I'll get out in a little bit and walk around since I have a little bit over an hour until I'm meeting with my class. But I don't know if I told you all, but tonight my final class is actually at a restaurant. The professor and the other classmates, I guess, wanted to make it somewhat of a celebratory last class. So we're meeting at this place in Boulder. It's called Aubrie. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's spelled A-J-I. I don't know. But yeah, that's where I'm going to have my final class at tonight. So I guess that's kind of nice to do it somewhere different than having it in a regular traditional classroom.
Pretty day in Colorado. Nice evening. Got fairly warm today. Some snow on the mountains. But yeah, it got up to like 60 today. Maybe 65. It's supposed to snow by the end of the week though.
So I'm in the restaurant now. I decided to come in early because I really had to use the bathroom. But it's a cute little place. It has like a Latin American flair to it. Kind of show you around. So I'm in the waiting area right now, but over that way past that glass door is the seating area. And I wanted to show you all the pretty Christmas lights on Pearl Street. So let me give you all a 360 view of the lights. Hey guys, happy Friday. I'm leaving downtown Denver. I just got done doing my observations and it is the weekend. Woohoo! Anyway, I'm about to go to Target. I feel like I go to Target every time after I finish my observations. We always need something in the house. So I'm going to go to Target and get some things there. I believe that Matt is heading up to his job right now. He was going to leave about halfway throughout the day and head to work. Anyway, I'm back at my car. Sorry for the awkward angle right now. But yeah, Matt's only going to do a half a day of work at home and the other half up at his office. And I'm just happy it's Friday, you guys. Because first of all, I'm done with classes. And second of all, he starts. That was NPR. Do you guys listen to NPR in your car? That's what I usually listen to when I'm driving is NPR. They help me to stay up to date with all of the news information. That's really my only source of news. But anyway, yeah, I'm excited because I'm done with classes. I do have to work next week, but you know, no classes, so I'm okay with that. And I don't know, I just have some things I want to do, some projects I want to work on. I do have to study for my comps during this break, but I basically have like 3 or 4 weeks off until I have to go back to school and do my comprehensive exams. So that's one good thing. But while I'm on break, other than studying, I have some projects around the house I want to work on. And of course I have some videos I want to record for you all. And I just want to take some time to do some things that I haven't had time to do since I've been busy with school and things like that. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I will check back in with you guys at Target. I have a little project that I want to work on during my winter break, and so I am in the organization aisle to pick up some things, and I'm really excited because I see something that I need, and I guess I should tell you all what the project is. I want to organize my closet, so I'm actually in the closet aisle where all of the hangers are at. And what I want to get are some of these. These are scarf hangers. And I don't know where I have been that I have never bought any of these. But I need them so badly because I don't know what to do with my scarves. There's also this right here. 5-tier hanger, it says. This could also work as a scarf hanger, but I think I like the idea of this one better because it keeps them separate. There's no price tag on this one though, so I need to find a price checker. Okay, so this is interesting. An accessory hanger. Huh. I don't think I need that though because I have an accessory drawer. If anything, I need like drawer compartments for my accessories. Okay, so there's also this up here. This looks like it's more for your wall though. Flower accessory hanger. Alright. Let me see how much these are. Alright, so I'm looking at these here. It's the Room Essentials 6-shelf hanging closet organizer. And I'm really glad that they put these out for models because it's important to see how sturdy this is. I was thinking this might be really good for pants and other things that get folded instead of hung up. But now that this is out, I don't even know if this is reliable. Like the way it gives in like that, I don't think that's gonna hold. And then they have this one, which has a little bit more structure. But see, it's already been ripped. And I think that these are a little bit sturdier, but I think that they're more liable to rip. So I'm kind of happy that Target put those out. so that I can have examples and see how strong they actually are. I'm going to marinate some chicken for dinner tonight. I've made this chicken before. It's the barbecued chicken with Thai sticky sauce. And we don't actually barbecue it. We just put it in the oven. But while I was out, after I went to Target, I just went ahead and got the ingredients for that. So I'm going to marinate some chicken. I need to fold some laundry. And then I'll see what else I need to do after that. Here's dinner for tonight. Chicken, brown rice, and greens.
I was just saying at work, they're getting new desk chairs for everyone. They're ordering like 300 new chairs. And they have all these old chairs that are probably like 4 or 5 years old or something like that. And they're kind of worn out. The cushions on some of them are a little questionable. It's like 3 or 4 different types of chairs. But they were like, if you want to keep your new chair, go ahead and take it home, or at least mark it and say you're keeping it. And then the rest of them will donate to whatever or whatever they do with the old chairs. I was thinking about bringing home a chair, an office chair, because they're decent chairs, but I already have a good office chair in my office. I don't really need one. And I guess I could sell it on Craigslist or something like that, but how much could you get for an old used chair? I don't know, is it worth the time and inconvenience of selling a chair on Craigslist? So I said no, so I just left the chair. And they can do whatever they want with it. I think everyone needs a way to relax at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So for you, I don't know, you seem to like editing YouTube videos and, doing stuff with the YouTube channel, which I think is a good hobby or whatever. For me, I like playing video games. I like playing World of Warcraft, which is a multiplayer. Countdown to boredom.
Just explain it quickly. That's what this.
It's a video game that you play with other people, and you are a part of a team trying to accomplish a goal, which can be fun and relaxing and, dare I say, rewarding. For a game. It's fun. So that's what I do to unwind.
I mean, I personally think that video games are boring, but I shouldn't assume that you all think that they're boring. I mean, so maybe, Matt, you should talk about video games. And okay. I don't know, someone else might be interested. But okay. To me, I phase out.
Seems great. Well, our YouTube statistics say that like 75% of the people who watch our videos right now are women. And like probably 25 to 30% of people who play World of Warcraft are women. There's probably like, I'm not good at statistics. What does that mean? Like 1 in 10 people who watch maybe slightly care about World of Warcraft.
Yeah, there's probably a slight overlap.
There's a slight overlap.
But not very big.
If you like World of Warcraft, leave a comment. Yes. I'm not expecting any comments, but if you do, I'll be happy.
Or if you like video games in general. If you have a video game that you like to play, also leave that in the comments. And maybe that would be something that you know about. right?
Yeah.
Other video games.
I used to when I was younger. I'm about 30 right now, 30 years old. But when I was younger, I used to think video games were a waste of time. Even though I played them, I was like, I shouldn't be playing video games. And maybe at the time that was true, you know, sometimes you need to be studying, writing papers and stuff like that, so it can actually be a waste of time. But now as I get older, you also realize you need to find a way to disconnect yourself from all the stressful things in life, like jobs or, you know, whatever issues, you know, politics, wars, Ebola, you know what I mean? Like, you need to step away from those things and just relax and go into a happy place or something. So for me, luckily I have a happy place that's World of Warcraft. And so that's just a game I play sometimes. And if I don't feel like playing, I don't play. If I feel like playing, I play. The other thing I like is just watching like Netflix TV shows. I watch a lot of The Office or, you know, Aubrie, probably like The Family Guy or something like that. And I think those little escapism things are important for people to have. I think everybody probably has those things, they just differ. For some people it's reading books or drawing. I think drawing can be a good one for a lot of people, like painting or drawing or something.
Yeah. Word. I agree with you. I also think it's important to have that thing that you can detach yourself from the stressful things of the world.
It can be anything. Gardening is also one of those things that keep just getting your hands dirty.
Yeah, I like gardening.
And seeing the plants grow and stuff like that.
And you get to see little creepy crawlies and stuff, and that's kind of cool. I mean, sometimes it creeps me out, but
it's interesting.
It's cool when you see like a butterfly or something pretty.
Because it's real and it's kind of random.
Yeah.
If you don't mind sharing, what is it that you do to just escape and go into your zone and relax, and it's just like what you indulge in at the end of the day or on the weekends or whatever?
Well, we are going to go ahead and call it a night at the Reed House, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the vlog, please like it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And we will see you next time on It's the Reeds. Good night, you guys.